make sure to give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Comment down below what game do you want us to play. Okay, today we're going to be playing hide and seek. You stay over here. Okay, who's going to count? Okay.
Alisa going to count first? Okay. Stand over there and count. Turn around. You go hide. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Ready? You're done counting? Okay, come count again. Come count to 10. I'll help you. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1, 2. Come on, count. Count. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Go count. Go find him. Are you going to find him too, Elia? Where is he? Is he in there? Is he in the pantry? Uh-oh. Let's look. You want to open it? Oh, you need help opening it, huh? Let's see. Oh, he is in the pantry. All right, your turn. Here, you want to do a selfie while you're... Okay, ready? Okay. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you're not. Here I come.
Okay, grab Aaliyah and go find her. Go find him. Go find him. Careful. Where? Shh. What? What is it? Were you gonna hide over there? Is there a bug? Oh no. Okay, we'll clean it up. Oh, on the windowsill there is a bug. Ew. Okay, cover it up, Mama. We'll go get a napkin and clean it. You go hide. Okay, I'll tell him count again. Go hide, Alisa. Go hide. Here, give me this. You go hide. Okay, go. Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Shh.
8, 9, 10.
Shh.
Ready or not, here I go. Let's go.
Okay. Where's Alisa? Go look for her. All right, Alia's gonna help you. Hey, slow down.
Oh, I think she's under these pillows.
Where is she? Alisa. No, she's not. Oh, she's tricky. Alisa.
Let's go.
Okay. Where'd she go? Can we find her?
We found you.
Did we find? Oh, we found you. All right, go count. Okay, here, you could do a selfie if you want. Go count. And I'll help him.
Wait, I'm supposed to hide.
Okay, I'll help you count then. You go hide.
Where should I hide? Where should I hide?
1, 2, 3, count. 4.
Okay, guys, I'm upstairs. You don't even know. guys found me.
Okay, now you go. Oop. Now you go hide. You can't hide. Come on, let's hide. Let's hide. Let's hide. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
1, 2,
Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down.
6, 7,
Shh.
9,
Shh.
10. No, you're not. Here I come.
Where is she? Where is she? Hey, don't give her away. Don't give her away. Shh. Hey. Don't give her away. Aliyah gave her away. All right, say next time.
See you next time, guys.